Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer resources from farm account in Rise of Kingdoms. Transferring resources from a farm account in Rise of Kingdoms requires some strategy, since direct transfers between accounts aren't possible. The most straightforward method is to have both your main and farm accounts in the same alliance, or even create a dedicated alliance for your accounts. From there, you can use alliance help to request and send resources indirectly. Another approach is through rallies or gatherings. Send your farm account to collect from resource nodes, and then you have your main account join the same gathering or rally to gather the resources. You can utilize the inline store from indirect transfer through it slower. Keep in mind that excess farming from your farm account carries some risk of penalties, so always use alliance mechanics wisely. By combining the strategies, you can effectively funnel resources from your farm accounts to your main city without violating the game mechanics. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.